So in this video, I'll be talking about open house tools in GoHighLevel. As a real estate agent, open houses are a great way to generate leads and sell properties, but they can be a lot of work. So that's where GoHighLevel's open house tools come in. With GoHighLevel, you can create and manage open houses from start to finish. You can create a listing, set up a schedule, invite guests, and track leads. So every open house will require a landing page. So your landing page is the first thing potential buyers will see when they visit your website. So it is important to make a good impression. So you can create a landing page in GoHighLevel by going to sites, and on the website you can click on the new website, and there you can either create your website from scratch or use a template. GoHighLevel's landing page builder makes it easy to create a professional looking landing page that highlights your features and benefits of the property you're selling.